In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Booking.com with ChatGPT step by step, so you can start using Booking.com inside ChatGPT much more easily. If you've been looking for a simple way to link the two together, this guide will walk you through it from start to finish. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another tutorial. All right, let's jump right in. First, open ChatGPT in your browser and sign in to your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're on the main ChatGPT screen, look over to the left side of the page and find the More button near the middle of the sidebar. Click that to reveal additional options. After the menu expands, look for Apps and click on it. This will take you into the Apps area inside ChatGPT, where you can browse supported integrations and connect services that work with your account. Now you'll see a list of available apps. Search for or scroll until you find Booking.com, then click on Booking.com to open its connection page. This is the app you want to connect to ChatGPT so it can be used inside your workflow. On the Booking.com app page, you'll see a Connect button. Go ahead and click Connect to begin the linking process. At this stage, ChatGPT will usually prepare the authorization flow and ask for confirmation before it can continue. You may see another Connect prompt or confirmation screen. If that happens, click Connect again to approve the connection. This second confirmation is part of the setup process and helps make sure you are authorizing the correct app. Once the connection is completed, Booking.com should now be linked with ChatGPT. That means you can begin using it through ChatGPT's app system, making it easier to interact with Booking.com related features without having to switch back and forth as much. If anything doesn't appear right away, refresh the page and check the Apps section again to confirm the connection is active. It's also a good idea to make sure you're signed into the correct ChatGPT account before connecting, especially if you use multiple accounts for work or personal use. And that's it. You've successfully connected Booking.com with ChatGPT. This is a quick process once you know where to click, and it can save time whenever you want to work with supported app integrations. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more ChatGPT and software tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more connection guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.